Hi, and welcome to another video blog of My Little Chatterbox. And today we discuss how reading is beneficial to your children when you introduce books to younger kids, especially between the age of 0 to 6 years. The best thing about reading, it helps you bond with your child in a very nice, in a very special manner. And for those who read to their children at a regular basis, on a regular basis, they will understand what I'm talking about. Now, when your child is a baby, you spend all your free time with him or her. And then they tend to grow up. They start crawling, walking, running, playing, exploring new environments. They go to preschool, school. Some even go to the daycare, activity classes, meet new people. So they have their schedule in place, you have your schedule in place, and you don't end up spending the entire day together. That's when reading comes handy. Now, when you pick a book, snuggle with your child, and you two just slow down a little and recapture the moments which you spent together when your child was a baby. Then reading becomes a nurturing process rather than a chore or a task. And your kid starts enjoying that session, that story time, that's those 5-10 minutes that you spend with them. Just read to them for 15 minutes a day. And if your kid doesn't sit with you for more than a minute or two, it's okay, read to them for those minutes, but do it on a regular basis. It's extremely common, we all know, it's pretty common knowledge that reading helps develop communication skills and it helps in speech development. Now, during preschool and toddler years, children learn a lot about language, pronunciation, communication skills, speech, what words are used when. And suppose if you pick One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish by Dr. Seuss, for you it might just be another book, but for your child it would be an important lesson in language and communication and sounds. When your child is at during toddler years goes through the pretend reading stage, that is before the beginning reader stage, they just turn the pages of a book, they squeal and jabber in excitement, and they imitate you at times. You might feel they're doing nothing, but that is a very critical pre-literacy stage. Then, when your child goes to preschool, they start understanding alphabets and phonics and sounds. They start joining words together, and soon they will become readers. Also, reading enhances your child's social skills. For instance, when they see two characters in a book connect and how they communicate to each other, how they relate to each other, and how you relate to your child and communicate to your child during that story time helps your children understand relationship and understand connections better. Reading helps a child understand how to read a book at a younger stage. Now, when you introduce books to your babies, they will start understanding books better and they'll start reading at an earlier stage. This has been proved by many studies. When a child is born, he or she is not born with an innate knowledge that text is different from illustrations or that text is read from left to right in many languages and vice versa in many. But they develop it over a period of time, and the more they are exposed to books, the earlier they are exposed to books, the younger your child will develop a knowledge about text and how it is different from illustrations and how texts have a meaning, a separate meaning, like illustrations do have their own meaning. Reading improves logical thinking. It improves cause and effect. Your child understands cause and effect better. It helps your child reason better. As I was talking about connections or relationships, when your child understands them through various characters in the books, this helps them become a better thinker, a more logical thinker. For instance, there is a particular situation in the book, and your child views a similar situation in his or her life. He or she will connect with the book better, and they will start loving books and reading at that stage. As I was talking about situations, there are many developmental milestones or many new situations that your child faces, even at a tender age. Books might help him or her understand the situation better, and they might even help him or her deal with the situation better. Appropriate books. Now, if your child is anxious, he or she is nervous about starting preschool, which is a very common problem. There are many books that where the main character is dealing with the same situation. If your child doesn't understand how to deal with the situation, still you have to pick up that book and read to him or her, because they should know that he or she is not the only one who is going through that anxiety, that's nervousness. And they should understand that it is pretty normal. It happens to almost every other child. Better concentration and discipline. Most parents that I meet during my reading club complain that their kids don't sit through the book, through the entire book, and that they don't even sit for a minute. They have lack of attention span. They have a very less attention span. I tell them they're being unfair to their child, because younger children, you can't expect them to sit for more than a minute or so. And that minute also is extremely important for them. They learn a lot during those 60 seconds as well. So, and eventually you'll see that your child not only sits through the book, he or she might also ask you to read the book again, or they might just pick up another book and ask you to read. Besides development of better attention span and concentration, your child's sense of self discipline will also improve, and this will help him in future. It's extremely common. We all know, it's pretty common knowledge that reading helps develop communication skills, and it helps in speech development. Now, during preschool and toddler years, children learn a lot about language, pronunciation, communication skills, speech, what words are used when, and suppose if you pick One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish by Dr. Reading helps a child understand how to read a book at a younger stage. Now, when you introduce books to your babies, they will start understanding books better, and they'll start reading at an earlier stage. This has been proved by many studies. When a child is born, he or she is not born with an innate knowledge that text is different from illustrations, or that text is read from left to right in many languages, and vice versa in many. Now, books can be your child's best friend. They can help them in various situations. They can help your child develop and learn better. So, it's up to you to give in those 5, 10, 15 minutes a day and spend with your child and read with them. Believe me, they'll thank you for giving them a companion for life. Till we meet again, thank you so much and happy raising readers.